How to make text vertical in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, merge the cells you want to add text in, which is vertical. So simply type anything you want. Then you'll find option beside merge, which is below merge button, you'll find a button from where you can make your text vertical, which has arrow in it. Simply click on vertical text and your text will be vertical. After that, you're good to go. That's how to make text vertical in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.